Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be doing unboxing. I'll be doing unboxing. It has been long I do unboxing, so let's unbox this package. So guys, this is what I ordered from Shein. Ooh. So guys, let's unbox this package together. Let's unbox. I like unboxing video. I don't know if you like unboxing video just like me. For me, I like unboxing video. Like, unboxing video is one of the best video I like to do. So this is what it looks like. Like, one thing I like about Shein, if you like, you order 100 pieces of things, they are going to bring it for you. Yes, they are going to bring it for you. And if you don't know how to order from Shein and you like what you are seeing, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know. Okay, where are we starting from now? First of all, let me try this. So I order a lot of things here. I actually order a lot of things from Shein. So because we are planning to go for vacation, but vacation we didn't go again. So I did a video where I was telling you guys we are going for vacation, but I didn't go for vacation again. So because they canceled the flight for that month, like their particular flight we are going to use, they canceled the flight. So who am I? So first of all, let me unbox this one. I know you want to look at it. You want to look at it, right? I ordered this one for summer. For this, oh my god, I love this. This one is the swimming truck. I'm going to swimming pool because the weather is so fucking hot. So this bra go size me, but it's beautiful. I like the material, very beautiful. But I don't know if it's going to size me because my breast, I don't know the kind of this thing not go size me. Oh, I don't know the kind of breast where God give me. My breast not they stay inside bra. You the only they full. My breast they always they come outside. Even inside this bra when I wear now, my breast they always they come outside for year. I don't know. Some people go say I know they wear, I know they buy my size. Who tell you I know they wear my size of bra? I they wear my size of bra, but now the kind of breast when I get. So this is the one I'll be using to cover. This is the one I'll be using to cover. So this is the pants. So and that is it for that. And I bought this. I literally bought because my husband friend that they went for vacation told me that I should not take PEV. So I bought all these things that I will be putting my makeup, just little, all these little things that I will be putting my makeup and all that. But we did not go for vacation again now. Waiting and go do. So let me unbox this other one. What's this? Oh my god, this is a gown. I love this gown. Should I try it on? Okay, if on this video, okay. On this video I'm going to change, guys. The things are much. I don't even know how I'm going to start. Oh, I bought, like, I arranged myself because I don't want to say I did not buy this, I did not buy this. All these things are for vacation. For vacation we not go again. What the person go do? This one is a hair straightener. I bought this one €5. This hair straightener. So let's look how it's going. Eyes inside. I have like 5 hair straightener, but they are very big. I just need something like that I can put inside the school bag. See, this is what it looks like. Very portable. Like, I mean, this thing is very small. Like, I was planning to make my hair like I'm planning to fix a weave on and all that, but for the vacation that I will be going before, but I wanted to fix weave on. So the kind of hairstyle that I want to make, I need a straightener. And this, oh my god, I love this chiffon. This one is a chiffon trouser. I love this thing. Oh my god, keep real. I don't want to scatter it because I want to try on. Okay, so this is what this thing looks like. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'm sorry, my camera. Oh my god, I literally got a lot of things. Like, I literally got a lot of things. This one is a complete. Oh my god, this one is the bra. Hey, me wey be say my belly big, so I want to wear this one. I go wear I will slay her like that. I don't care. I don't give a damn. So this one is the palazzo. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to try it on, guys. I'm going to do try on Instagram. So we don't get time. Oh, so the beautiful dress. This one is a beautiful dress, guys. Very, very, very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god, I bought pan. Yes, I bought pan. I bought this white pan for me so that I can use it for the see this white pan. Very, very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if the camera is focusing. Come on, so I'm using my back camera. See, I bought this one. I know it's going to fit very well, so I'm packaging them back because I need to do. So I bought this bag, this transparent. This one is a transparent bag for summer. Maybe if you are going to beach, I'll put my cream and everything inside, like just few things that I wanted. So this one I bought it for brush, like toothpaste. Like you see, I ready before. I don't know why they can't cancel the train. No, and no. Just try the not train is plane. We'll be using plane before, but I don't know. Let's see how it's going to look like. If I still go, I'll still let you know. Okay. So this one, I bought this one for me and Obi to put our brush and McLean if we are going. That's why I bought this one. This one I bought it for spray because my husband friend that they went for vacation, they did not allow them to take their spray if it's more than 100 gram. I don't know. So we are planning to put our spray in this bottle. This one I was planning to put this one. This thing is a set. I was planning to put my cream. I was planning to put my cream inside, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this thing. Okay, can you see it? This thing. So this is what it looks like. It's a set inside. You put your cream, anything. So any kind of thing you want to put, you put it inside this place. So it will be inside like this. Okay, do you understand? It will just be inside like this. And what was this? I don't know what's this. Oh, this one is a poly bag, like the poly bag where maybe you want to put your makeup things, like anything. So that's that. And what says did I buy? What says did I buy? Oh my god, guys, I bought this chiffon top. I bought it for this dress. I love this dress so much. I love the hand. Like, if you know me, I like all these big things. This is the hand of the dress. So I'll be doing a try on it. So I bought this pant. I said, okay, if I'm wearing this white pant, at least I can still change to this keto. Like for this summer, I've not really for this summer I've not bought anything pant. It was my old pant, like my old pant that I bought last year that I'll be using. I've not bought anything like. So this is what it looks like. This pant is so beautiful, right? Do you like it? I love it. Very soft. Should I tell you how much I bought it? I'll be putting it on the screen. Very all these things that is here, they are very cheap. So I bought some necklace. Yeah, I bought some necklace. I think I bought this one too, the one for the perfume. So I still need it, even if I bought some beautiful earrings and all that. So I bought some beautiful earrings. I don't know if you guys can see. I bought some beautiful earrings. I don't know why my light is behaving like this. My camera is not, because I'm watching myself through the mirror. I don't know why the camera is not stable. Please manage it if you are not seeing what I'm showing you. So this one is a necklace. You guys know I like necklace so much. This is the necklace that I bought. I think something fell down. This one is bottle. Maybe I want to put anything. Okay, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I really do appreciate. Okay, I will see you guys for my next video. Okay, I love you all. So guys, let me know what you think about this outfit. Decided to wear it for you guys, so you see how it looks. This is one of my my favorite right now, like the chiffon. Both are chiffon. I like something like this, and it looks so corporate. And this other one too is very free, not tight at all, like free. When I mean free. And this other pink gown, I love it so much. And this other one, this is what I'm wearing as I'm making this. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.